Ellie, what do you think of this big storm we're having?
A little bit flooded.
It's flooded?
Yeah, even your car's flooded, and you need to look at the trees.
Wow. Oh my goodness, Elle. There's so much snow, and it just keeps on coming, doesn't it?
Yeah, even the cars are gone.
Wow, you can't even see it. Whose car is that? Yeah. This is a big storm, Elle, don't you think? What do you think, Joshua? What do you think of this big blizzard?
Right now, too. So is for Eliana and Joshua.
Yeah? You got to see your friends today?
Yeah.
Before the big storm came?
Yeah, but now it's the biggest storm ever.
Oh my goodness.